Any real drywaller was probably thinking, Andy, why in the world did you not run your tape all the way to the corner? Here, I'll show you. There's this product called Three-Way. It's corners like a dream. Three-Way reduces the working time and skill of a single three-way corner. And here's what it is. It's this fold-up thing. They even label it this side to drywall. Right here on this flap. Bring this closed. Sorry. Close that up. And you put mud on the wall, ceiling. Real crispy corner. So let's give it a shot back here in this corner that gets covered up by a cabinet. What a perfect place to practice. So last night I was installing these three-way drywall corners. I had 8 total to do. I did all 8 that I needed to do. There's 4 over in the little hallway there in probably 20 minutes. The front is traditional paper. Along the edges, you've got nice perforations to accept the mud, and it stays a little bit back from the edge so that you can feather it in real nice, you know. I don't know the technical term. Here is a close-up of the one from last night. Now, if you're saying, hey, Andy, you're not supposed to do that. I know. I just didn't get enough mud out there. I didn't realize it was like that. It's hidden behind a cabinet, so it'll be okay. And that's as a total. Never used these before. Never seen them. I think that's pretty fast. What's really nice about them is this back is just nice and it's like a flexible thick paper. Oh, and by the way, with these three-way corners, I just did the math on them. It's like $75 Canadian, and so in US dollars, it's like 58 bucks according to Google conversion. You get, I bought a 25 pack, so that is about $230 per corner as of right now, which since I'm not a pro finisher, I will spend $2.30 on any corner any day of the week. I highly recommend.